Good morning, students. In previous class, we are discussing about part C question, that is 3-mark question. As you know that in your question paper, part C, total questions 14 questions, that is question number 25 to 38. Out of 14 questions, attempt any 10 questions. Each question carries 3 marks. Now, today we will discuss question number 35 and 36. Now, question number 34 already solved. So, we will discuss today 35 and 36 question. So, the question number 35 and 36 belongs to under which topic? That is vector algebra. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 35 ಮತ್ತು 36 ಎರಡು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸು ಯಾವ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾ. ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಎರಡು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು? ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾ, that is show that the points a of 2 minus 1 1, b is the point 1 minus 3 minus 5, c is the point 3 comma minus 4 minus 4 are the vertices of right angled triangle. Show that these 3 points form a right angle triangle. Now if it is right angled, now we should prove that Pythagoras concept, that is the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Now here to find out the vector AB, vector BC and vector CA, and also to find their magnitude. Okay, now here given data 3 points are given. What are the points? A is a point 2 minus 1 1, B be a point 1 minus 3 minus 5, and C be a point 3 minus 4 minus 4. Okay, now therefore to find the position vector, therefore position vector represented by what? OA. Now the distance origin to given point, that is known as position vector. What is its position vector? That is 2i minus 1j plus 1k, right? Then position vector OB is equal to 1i minus 3j then minus 5k. Similarly, position vector OC is equal to 3i minus 4j minus 4k. We got 3 position vectors. Now show that the points form a right angled, means we should prove that Pythagoras concept. Now here first to find out the vector AB and vector BC and vector CA, and to find their magnitude. Now you know that vector AB is equal to, using position vector, how to write? OB minus OA. Correct? Subtract OB minus OA. OB is the vector I minus 3j minus 5k minus OA vector 2i minus j plus k. Subtract ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. 1i minus 2i, that is minus I. Correct? Minus 3j minus of minus plus j. Minus 3j minus of minus plus j. Minus 3j plus j minus 2j. Okay? Minus 5k minus k. Minus into plus minus. Minus 5k minus k. Minus 6k. This is AB vector. Therefore, magnitude of AB, length of vector AB, under root of coefficient of I minus 1 square plus 1. Coefficient of j minus 2 square plus 4. Coefficient of k minus 6 square, 36. How much? 36 plus 4, 40 plus 1, 41. So magnitude of AB is root 41. Similarly, to find the vector BC, again using position vector, how to write? OC minus OB. Correct? OC alle OB less ಮಾಡಿ. OC vector ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ, OA vector ಇದೆ, subtract 3i minus 2i, 1i minus 4j minus of minus plus j. Minus into minus plus. Minus 4j plus j minus 3j. Okay. Next, minus 4k minus into plus minus. Minus 4k minus, sorry, this one alla, OC minus OB. 3i minus 1i, that is 2i. Correct? Minus 4j minus of minus plus minus 4j minus into minus plus 3j, minus 4j plus 3j minus 1j, right? Then minus 4k minus of minus plus, minus 4k plus 5k plus 1k. Therefore, magnitude of BC is equal to length of the vector BC, again under root of coefficient of I 2 square 4 plus coefficient of j minus 1 square plus 1, coefficient of k 1 square is plus 1, that is root 4 plus 1 that is 6. This is magnitude of BC. Then to find CA vector, CA how to write? OA minus OC. AB, BC, CA or AC. Now OA minus OC, OA vector and here OC vector, subtract 2i minus 3i minus 1i minus j minus of minus plus 4j that is 3j, right? Plus 1k minus into minus plus 4k that is 5k. Therefore, its magnitude of CA is equal to under root of coefficient of I minus 1 square plus 1, coefficient of j 3 square is plus 9, plus coefficient of k 5 square is 25. How much? 25 plus 1, 26 plus 9 that is 35. We got three magnitudes. Now, since it is right angle means Pythagoras concept satisfied. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡನ್ನು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಎರಡೂ ಸೈಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ? ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ರೂಟ್ 6, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6, ರೈಟ್? Magnitude of CA is root 35, its square 35, root vanish, 35 plus 6, 41. Root 41 is the value of AB, only 41 is the value of AB square. Therefore, the side AB square is equal to BC square plus CA square. Pythagoras concept satisfied. If this condition is satisfied, hence the points A, B, C form a right angled triangle. Form a right angled triangle. 3 mark question. Very simple problem. 3 points ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಂತರ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಸಿ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆರಿಫೈ ದಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ other two sides is equal to square of the hypotenuse. If that condition is satisfied, it is said to be right angled triangle. Okay. Show that the points A is the point minus 2, 3, 5, B is the point 1, 2, 3 and C is a point 7, 0, minus 1. Show that these 3 points are collinear. Another name of collinear is parallel. Both are same. Howda? So you know the condition. If the points are collinear, if the vectors are collinear, if the vectors are parallel condition, coefficients of I, J, K are proportional, or one vector is equal to some constant, say lambda into another vector. Either one vector is equal to some constant lambda into another vector. If that condition is satisfied, we conclude that the given points are collinear, or coefficients of I, J, K are proportional. That is A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2. Okay. Now here given data, 3 points are given. A is a point minus 2, 3, 5. B be a point 1, 2, 3. C be a point 7, 0, minus 1. Okay. Now to find the position vector. Therefore, position vector OA is equal to minus 2i plus 3j plus 5k. Position vector OB is equal to 1i, right, plus 2j plus 3k. And position vector OC is equal to 7i, there is no j term, 0j minus 1k, right? Then now to find the vector AB, BC, CA. Now vector AB is equal to, how to write vector AB? You know, what is that? the position vector OB minus OA. Subtract OB minus OA, 1I minus of minus 2I plus 2I, that is 3I, right? 2J minus 3J minus 1J, 3K minus 5K minus 2K. This is AB vector. Then to find BC vector, BC is equal to OC minus OB. Subtract, this is OC, that is OB. Subtract 7I minus 1I, 6I, 0J minus 2J minus 2J, right? Then minus K minus 3K, minus K minus 3K, that is minus 4K. Okay. Then if you take CA vector, CA is equal to OA minus OC. OA minus OC, OA vector and OC vector. Subtract minus 2I minus 7I minus 9I, correct? 3J minus 0J, that is 3J. 5K minus of minus plus 1K, that is 6K, right? Now here AB is the vector. Here A1 is equal to A1I plus B1J plus C1K. A1 value is 3, B1 value is minus 1, C1 value is minus 2. Whereas BC vector, it is in the form A2I plus B2J plus C2K. Here A2 vector 6, B2 vector minus 2, C2 vector is minus 4. Whereas third vector, say here A3 vector is minus 9, B3 vector is 3, C3 vector is 6. Now show that the points are collinear. Condition, coefficients of I, J, K are proportional. Now A1 by A2 is equal to, what is A1? 3 by A2, 6. That is 1 by 2. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Then B1 by B2. Among these three, ಯಾವುದಾದ ಎರಡು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ. B1 by B2. B1 is minus 1, B2 is minus 2, that is 1 by 2. Next, C1 by C2. Minus 2. C1, C2 is minus 4, minus minus cancel, 2 ones are 2 twos are. A1 by A2, 1 by 2. B1 by B2 is also 1 by 2. C1 by C2 is also 1 by 2. Therefore, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. If this condition is satisfied, we conclude that hence the points A, B, C are collinear or parallel. A, B, C are collinear or parallel. Okay? ಮೂರು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಎರಡು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ದ coefficients of I, J, K proportional ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ we conclude that the vectors are collinear or parallel. Okay? Problem that is most important, 3 mark. Show that the position vector of the point P which divides the line joining the points A and B having the position vector A, small a arrowhead and small b arrowhead internally in the ratio m is to n is m into b vector plus n into a vector divided by m plus n. Now to prove that concept, look here. Now here there are 2 points. A is a point, A and B 2 points are given. Let the point P divide AB, join AB. Let the point P divide AB internally in the ratio m is to n. Now take a point, let O be the point of reference. O is the origin, point of reference. Join OA. Now OA is called position vector represented by vector A. Join OP. OP is also position vector represented by, denoted by vector R. And join OB. OB is also position vector represented by vector B. Okay. Now here let the point P divide, diagram 1 mark, P divide the line joining the points, the line joining the points A and B internally in the ratio m is to n, that is given. Okay, let R be the position vector. R denote position vector of the point P. R denote position vector of the point P. Now 2 points A and B internally with position vectors A and B respectively. Therefore, by definition of internal division, you know that AP upon PB is equal to M by N. If it is internally, AP upon PB is equal to M by N. So cross multiply, this implies N into AP. N into AP is equal to M into PB. Correct? Okay. But you know that AP vector using position vector, how to write? OP minus OA. Baribodala? Okay. Is equal to M into PB vector using position vector OB minus OP. OB minus OP. Idu ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. Okay. Then substituting the value. N. OP is the position vector represented by R. OP ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? Vector R. OA is the position vector represented by vector A. Is equal to M. OB is the position vector represented by B. OP is the position vector represented by vector R. Right? Simplify. This implies, remove that bracket, N into R minus NA, right, is equal to M into B minus M into R vector. Okay. Then rearrange. This implies N into R vector, take last term, minus M into R vector goes to left side, plus M into R vector, correct? Is equal to M into B vector minus N into A vector goes to right side, plus N into A vector. Okay. But in left hand side, is there any common? Yes. R vector common. Remaining value M plus N is equal to M into B plus N into A. Okay. Therefore, R vector is equal to R vector, divide both set by M plus N. R vector is equal to M into B plus N into A divided by M plus N. R means what? Position vector of the point P which divide the line AB internally in the ratio M is to N is given by the formula M into B vector plus N into A vector divided by M plus N. Diagram 1 mark, remaining procedure 2 mark. Diagram must, diagram draw ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ತುಂಬಾ easy ಇದೆ. Okay, that is 3 mark question. Okay. Problem: if A, B, C are 3 vectors such that vector A plus lambda B is perpendicular to vector C. This vector is perpendicular to C vector, then find the value of lambda. Now here first to find out A plus lambda B vector. A plus lambda B is equal to, you know the vector A, that is given 2i plus 2j plus 3k plus lambda into B vector minus 1i plus 2j plus k. Okay. Simplify. 2i plus 2j plus 3k plus, remove that bracket, plus into minus, minus lambda I plus 2 lambda j plus lambda k. Now again rearrange 2I minus lambda I. Among these two, is there any common? I common, that is 2 minus lambda into I. 2j plus 2 lambda j, j common, 2 plus 2 lambda into j. 3k plus lambda k, k common, 3 plus lambda into k. Okay, now it is in the form a1i plus b1j plus c1k. Now here a1i, a1 value 2 minus lambda, b1 value 2 plus 2 lambda, right? Then c1 value 3 plus lambda. And c vector, vector c is given 3i plus j. There is no k term, we write 0 into k. It is in the form a2i plus b2j plus c2k. Here a2i, a2 value 3, b2 value coefficient of j1, c2 value is 0. Okay, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. Since the vector a plus lambda b is perpendicular to vector c, means two vectors are perpendicular. Idu one vector, c another one vector. Eradu vector perpendicular aadaga the condition dot product become 0 tane. Two vectors are perpendicular. Remember, a dot b is equal to 0. A andre yavudikille, idu one vector, idu one vector. That dot product is 0. A plus lambda b dot c is equal to 0. Now definition of dot product, a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3 is equal to 0. You know the value of a1, a1 a2. Here a1 a2, b1 b2 plus c1 c2. Substituting the value, what is a1? 2 minus lambda, a2 value is 3, b1 value 2 plus 2 lambda, b2 value is 1, c1 value 3 plus lambda, c2 value is 0 is equal to 0. Then simplify. So 2 into 3 6 minus 3 lambda plus 2 plus 2 lambda, 0 into any number become 0. Okay, then further simplify. Minus 3 lambda plus 2 lambda minus 1 lambda, 6 plus 2 8 is equal to 0, implies minus lambda is equal to minus 8. Therefore lambda is equal to minus minus cancel, plus 8. So the value of lambda such that a plus lambda be perpendicular to vector c, then the value of lambda is 8. Remember, two vectors are perpendicular condition, dot product is equal to 0. Okay, three vectors a b c satisfy the condition sum of the vector is equal to 0 vector. Find the value of a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a denoted by mu, where mu value a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a, such that magnitude of a is given 1, magnitude of b is 4, magnitude of c is 2. Then to find the value of mu, mu is nothing but to find the value of a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a. Enen kottidanu nodille, given data 3 vectors a b c such satisfy the condition vector a plus b plus c is equal to 0 vector, right? Now to find the value of a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a denoted by mu. Now here, therefore, taking the magnitude on both sides, magnitude of a plus b plus c is equal to magnitude of 0 is 0. Now squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides, therefore a plus b plus c whole power 2 is equal to 0 square is 0. Then expand it, usual expansion, a plus b plus c whole power 2 formula. You know, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Here a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Take 2 common, a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a is equal to 0. Same concept, a plus b plus c whole power 2 formula is ಅದೇ formula, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ vector notation use ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Now this implies substituting the value. Magnitude of a is given 1, its square 1 square. Magnitude of b is given 4, its square. Magnitude of c is 2, its square, plus 2. A dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a denoted by mu is equal to 0. Now find the value of mu. So this implies 1 square 1, 4 square 16, 2 square 4 plus 2 mu is equal to 0. Implies 2 mu plus 16 plus 4, 20 plus 1, 21 is equal to 0. Very simple question. That is 2 mu is equal to minus 21 plus 21 goes to right side minus 21. Divide by 2. Mu is equal to minus 21 divided by 2. Mu andre yavadu? A dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a value minus 21 by 2. 3 mark. Okay. Next problem. If a, b, c are unit vectors such that a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then find the value of a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a. Similar to previous problem. ಏನು previous problem solve ಮಾಡಿದವಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ concept. So here given a, b, c are unit vectors. Unit vectors. You know the definition of unit vector. A vector is said to be unit vector. ಯಾವಾಗ unit vector ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Whose magnitude is become 1. Now here magnitude of a is equal to 1. Magnitude of b is also 1. And magnitude of c is equal to 1. Then only these three vectors are unit vectors. Definition of unit vector whose magnitude is 1. And mattenu kottidane ile sum of the vector is 0. A plus b plus c is equal to 0. Therefore taking the magnitude a plus b plus c and squaring is equal to 0 square is 0. Consider a plus b plus c whole power 2 is equal to 0. Expand here usual expansion, that is magnitude of a to the power of 2 plus magnitude of b to the power of 2 plus magnitude of c to the power of 2 plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. 2 common, a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a is equal to 0. 0 square is 0. This implies, but magnitude a, b, c are unit vector whose magnitude is 1. Magnitude of a is 1. 1 square is 1. Magnitude of b is 1. 1 square is 1. Magnitude of c is 1. 1 square is 1. Plus 2 times a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a is equal to 0. Okay. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 3 plus 2 of a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a is equal to 0. Rearrange implies 2 of a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a is equal to plus 3 goes to right side, transfer it, that 3 goes to right side minus 3. Now divide both sides by 2. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a is equal to divide by 2, that is minus 3 by 2. That is the answer. So a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a is equal to minus 3 divided by 2. Okay. Next problem, that is also very important. 3 mark. let A, B, C be three vectors such that magnitude of A is 3, magnitude of B is 4, magnitude of C is 5, and each one of them being perpendicular to sum of other two vectors. Using this concept to find the value of magnitude of A plus B plus C. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮೂರು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ ಮತ್ತು ಮೂರು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ. ಮತ್ತೇನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನ? ಈಚ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ತ್ರೀ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್, A vector, B vector, C vector. Each vector is perpendicular to sum of other two vectors. There are three vectors, A vector, B vector, C vector. A vector, each vector, if you take first vector A vector is perpendicular to sum of both, means sum of the vectors B and C. Suppose B vector is perpendicular to sum of other two vectors A and C. If C vector is perpendicular to sum of other two vector A and B. Using this concept, E concept use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು find the magnitude of A plus B plus C. Okay, now here given data, very simple problem. Three vectors such that their magnitude is given. Magnitude of A is equal to 3, magnitude of B is equal to 4, and magnitude of C is equal to 5. And each one of them vector being perpendicular to sum of other two vector. Now take one by one vector. Suppose if you take first vector A, vector A is perpendicular to sum of other two vector ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದಾಗುತ್ತೆ? B and C. Sum of two vectors B and C. Suppose B vector ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ vector B is perpendicular to sum of other two vector C and A, that is C plus A. Suppose if you take C vector ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the vector C is perpendicular to sum of other two vector A plus B, right? Each one of them being sum of other two, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ A ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that vector A is perpendicular to sum of other two vector B and C. If you take B vector is perpendicular to other sum of other two vectors A and C. If you take C vector is perpendicular to sum of other two A plus B. Okay, now this implies vector A is perpendicular to sum of other two vector B plus C. ಈ B plus C alpha ಅಂತ ಕೊಡೋಣ. Let alpha vector is equal to B plus C. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Vector A is perpendicular to vector alpha. So two vectors are perpendicular. You know that two vectors are perpendicular condition. Yes, dot product become 0. A dot alpha ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು? B plus C is equal to 0. ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ B dot C plus A is equal to 0. Here vector C dot A plus B is equal to 0. Remember, two vectors are perpendicular condition, dot product become 0. Okay, now again further simplify. This implies, remove that bracket, A dot B plus A dot C is equal to 0. Equation 1. Here B dot C plus B dot A is equal to 0. Call it as equation 2. Here C dot A plus C dot B is equal to 0. Call it as equation 3. Right? Now add these three vectors. Therefore, equation 1 plus 2 plus 3 gives, ಮೂರು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? See what happen? A dot B plus A dot B. B dot A is same as A dot B. A dot B plus A dot B ಎರಡು ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ ರೀ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ A dot B ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. A dot B plus A dot B 2 times A dot B. A dot C plus A dot C 2 times A dot C. B dot C plus B dot C 2 times B dot C. ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಮೂರು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? gives 2 common A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot E. Correcta? A dot B plus A dot C plus B dot C plus B dot A plus C dot E, C dot A plus C dot B ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೂರು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎ ಡಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಡಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಡಾಟ್ ಎ ಸೇಮ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಡಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಮ್ಯುಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎ ಡಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಡಾಟ್ ಬಿ 2 times ಎ ಡಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಡಾಟ್ ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಡಾಟ್ ಸಿ 2 times ಎ ಡಾಟ್ ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಡಾಟ್ ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಡಾಟ್ ಸಿ 2 times ಬಿ ಡಾಟ್ ಸಿ what is common 2 common a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a is equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0 0. Okay, now the question, find the magnitude of a plus b plus c. Consider magnitude of a plus b plus c to the power of 2. Expand that vector. Now usual expansion, you know the formula, magnitude of a square plus magnitude of b square plus magnitude of c square plus 2a dot b plus b dot 2a b dot c plus 2c dot a, 2 common a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a is equal to, sorry, that is 2 times a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a. Then simplify. Magnitude of a plus b plus c to the power of 2 is equal to magnitude of a value 3 square 9, magnitude of b is 4 square 16, magnitude of c is 5 square 25 plus 2 times a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a value equation 4. Either value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 0, right? So magnitude of a plus b plus c to the power of 2 is equal to 9 plus 16, 25 plus 25, 50. This is the value of magnitude of a plus b plus c whole power 2. Therefore, taking the square root on both sides, ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ square root ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, magnitude of a plus b plus c is equal to root 50. That is root 50 can be written as 25 twos, right? Therefore, magnitude of a plus b plus c, magnitude of a plus b plus c is equal to root 25 value 5 into root 2. This is the answer for magnitude of a plus b plus c. ಇದನ್ನು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈಚ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅದರ್ ಟು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದಾಗ 3 ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಚ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅದರ್ ಟು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ. ಬಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅದರ್ ಟು ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ. ಸಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅದರ್ ಟು ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ. Now you know that 2 vectors are perpendicular condition, dot product become 0. Now dot product is equal to 0. Then using that, go on simplify, add these 3 equation, we get 2 times a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a is equal to 0. Now the question, to find magnitude of a plus b plus c, consider magnitude of a plus b plus c whole power 2. Usual expansion, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. 2 common a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a. But a magnitude of a, b, c are given. Magnitude of a is 3 square 9, magnitude of b is 4 square is 16, magnitude of c is 5 square is 25, but that value, equation number 4, its value is 0. So 9 plus 16, 25 plus 25, 50. 50 is the value of magnitude of a plus b plus c whole power 2. Now taking the square root on both sides, magnitude of a plus b plus c is equal to root 50. Now root 50 can be written as root of 25 into 2, but root 25 is 5 into root 2. So 5 root 2 is the value of magnitude of a plus b plus c. Even though ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿ ಇ ಟಿಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ಸ್ 3 4 5 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ದೆನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ a plus b plus c ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 5 into root 2. ಓಕೆ.